Hey everybody, in this video we'll be taking a look at the R.L. Allan Long Primer 53R. This is bound by Chant. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. Now this Bible was loaned to me to do this review and I'm really excited because I've never reviewed a long primer. This is the 53R in red Highland Goatskin. This is bound by Chant, not by anyone else new. This is an older production, probably from 2014. Now there's a few things that make this 53 special. It has Holy Bible on the cover. It has the dual tooled lines on the perimeter, which match the dual gilt lines on the inside of the liner, and I'll show you more of that coming up. Now this spine is pretty simple. It has the 5 tooled ribs there, and you have Holy Bible, Concordance, and Allan on the bottom. You can also see with the Chant binding that this has this curvature on the spine that's really attractive, that people love to see, and it's one of the big draws for a Chant bound edition. And from here you can see it has 3 Beresford ribbons that are blue on this red edition. They look great. They're not super long, but they are really nice ribbons. When we open this edition up, you can see this stark red calfskin liner. You see Highland Goatskin imprinted on the inside of the front cover. This dual gilt line around the inside is really great. It matches the footprint, this initial gilt line does, and then the outer gilt line matches the fold over of the cover. So it has a really beautiful look when open. It really, you see the symmetry, it looks really balanced. Just really well done. Here you can also see the red under gold art gilt that looks really great. It's very complimentary of the liner, the end sheets, the cover. It all looks really well done and goes well together. The long primer is a King James Bible. It only comes in a King James version, and this is a 10 to 10.5 point font in a double column, verse by verse format, as almost all King James Version editions are. It has over 100,000 references in the center column between the columns of text. You can see these little markers in the text that mark new paragraphs. And the text itself is very classic. It really is. It has a great feel. It's not a newer, redone font. So this edition does have a 32 GSM paper, which is a great paper. It does have a little bit of an off-white color, and you can see that when we transition from the concordance area to the map section. And there are a ton of helps in this edition. So after you pass the Revelation, you come to a proper names index, which is great. I mean, this is very helpful. I wish this was in more Bibles. Then you have a subject index, which is also great. These names and subjects will be in all capitals. After the subject index, you come to a concordance, as is mentioned on the spine of the edition. Now this concordance is a double column concordance. The word's going to be in all caps, and the references are out to the side, and you can see it's pages and pages and pages of concordance help. All right, now when we finish the concordance, we come to the Oxford map section. And you can see the different color of Bible paper, which is more of an off-white, versus the more stark white paper that was used for these Oxford maps. And you have 16 of these maps. They're great. I love maps on Bible paper, and this is a good dense Bible paper. The opacity's perfect. It's probably a much denser paper, a 40 or 50 GSM paper for these maps. So the printing really pops off the page, really easy to use, and kind of an enjoyment to use, honestly. After the maps, we come to the index for the maps, which is also very helpful. The index to the maps is a 4-column setup, and it just shows the place and the reference to the map. Pretty simple to follow. Then we have a couple pages of blank white paper before we get to the lined paper section. And this lined paper section is 32 pages long, and it's really great, really finely ruled paper. So if you like to take notes and you can write in a very small setting, this is going to be a great place to take notes, and you have a lot of paper to do that with. And after the lined paper section, you have a few pages of this blank white cardstock as well. So you can make your own index. You can do several things in this section as well. Then at the end, we come to this darker, more maroon end sheet, and then on to the back liner, and you can see Allan binding, and that's kind of signifies that this is a chant bound edition. The work Chant did on these corners and on all the detail work is so fine, and it's really, really well done. This is a great Bible. This Highland Goatskin on the cover is great. It has a full yap on the front and on the top and bottom. Really exceptional work and a joy to hold and a joy to get to review. So that's it for the Allan Long Primer 53R. I'm so jazzed to get to review it. Very thankful for my friend loaning it to me to let me make a video. So thank you guys. And as with every video I make, I'm giving away a Bible. So if you're this person, you have won a Bible. Congratulations. You left a comment on a recent video, and that's all you have to do. So if you want to be eligible for a giveaway, leave a comment. Pretty simple. If you like this video and my other content, please leave a like. If you want to support the channel further, hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And as always, thank you for watching. Take care and God bless.